Okay. Now we are going to start explaining this balance sheet. Balance sheet is clear now? Balance sheet is clear now? Balance sheet is what? Balance sheet is the statement which is showing the financial position of any business. Clear? In the company, we are going to just change the pro forma of balance sheet. Okay? In sole trade, we are making the balance sheet like a one side assets and one side liability. But here, top side liability and down side assets. Okay, beta? Types top side all liabilities and down side all assets. And liability side is divided in four main parts. In liability side, just divided in four main parts. First is shareholder fund. Second, share was monies. Third, non-current liability, and fourth, current liabilities. Okay, and they have some subhead. Okay, they have some subhead. Now we are going to start with the first. First is the shareholder fund. Shareholder fund is the fund which is related with the shareholders. It means all the money that will taken by the shareholder, that will include in the shareholder fund. First sum, it is share capital. Share capital, that is divided in two parts. One is equity shareholder shares and second is preference share. It means we are going to include these both, equity and preference. Issue of equity share and issue of preference share, both are including in a where? In this share capital. Okay, beta? Next is what, beta? Reserve and surplus. Any type of reserve which is making by the PL, we are going to show here. Okay, beta? Which are going to show here. Just remember in sole trade, interest on capital, profit, we are added or not in capital. Same way we are adding this reserve and surplus. Okay, then next, money received against to the, when we are giving our shares as a against to loan for securities. Okay, that money we are going to include here. If we are going to issue our shares for the security against to loan, we are going to show in this point. Okay, beta? All three is clear? All three we are going to add and total will come what? Shareholder fund. Okay? Share capital, equity and preference, then reserve and surplus and borrows money against the. Okay, next. Next, beta? If you are not receiving your allotment money on the time of, your application money on the time of allotment, this case is not coming in your question. But when we are going to issue that type of share that is fixed for the old shareholders, only old shareholder is taking that type of money or bonus share we are going to issue. So on that time we are not going to tell about the application. The shareholder will give his money on his own time. If any type of money pending against the application, that will just enter in this head. Okay, beta? That will enter in this head. Any money pending against the application. As like you are issuing 500 share, but someone is not giving the application money. So your question is that, sir, is not giving the application money, then why you are going to issue the share? It's borrow share term. Okay, and that share, right share like that. That share we are only issuing the old shareholder first. And if old shareholder is not ready to take that share, then we are going to issue that share to others. So we are going to issue the share. And after that we are calling the money. So if anyone not able to pay or not pay the money of allotment, so that amount we are enter in this topic. Okay? Clear? Up to this is clear, beta? Yes. These all is new. These are not new. It's the same like old. Non-current and current. but these all new. Clear? Now go for the non-current. I think well known about the non-current. All liability which is for the fixed period. All the liabilities which is related with the fixed period, more than 12 months, 1 year, that will come under his main heading. Okay? All the liabilities. All type of liabilities. Clear? First beta. Long-term borrowing, the long-term borrow, debenture, bank loans, these all come beta. Long-term borrows. Debenture for long period. Debenture not for the short period beta. Debenture is the long-term borrows. As like a capital for the long period, sale is for the long period. Same way, debenture is also for the long period. Okay. Next, bank loan or any type of securities loan. These, if the loan for the long period, that will come on the long-term borrows. Clear? Next, deferred tax liability. If you are not able to pay the tax amount of government last year, before the last year, okay, so that amount is coming here. Deferred tax. You are not paying, or less amount you are paying. More liability is coming on you, but you are paying only less amount. That tax will put his this time. Okay. Next is other long-term liabilities. If you are going to take the liability behalf of your debentures, you will take the liability behalf of your assets. That is other long-term liabilities. Other means just ignoring the debenture and these things and other all liabilities. They are saying it's a long-term liability. We are going to take that like a long-term liabilities. Okay. Next.
Long-term provision.
When we are going to make provision is two types, short term and long term. I think you will know about the provision or not. Remember the provision? One chapter in your letter. Provision and reserve. When we are making any type of reserve for the known liabilities or set liabilities, that is called provision. And when we are going to make any provision for the long period, more than 12 months, that provision is put here. Okay? Any type of provision for long period. Long means more than 1 year or 12 months. That is long period. So if you are going to make any type of provision for that, so that provision we are showing here. Okay? Then last topic is current liability. If you are talking about the sole trade, you will learn the current liability: cash, bank, debtors, stock, outstanding, income, prepaid expense. These are coming, beta. These all will come here, but only come in these different head. That all will come, beta, but they are coming on the different head. First head, beta, short-term borrow, creditors, types of creditors, not exact creditors, because creditor is coming on this trade payable. Okay, beta. If you are taking the bank loan for short period, you are taking the any other type of loan for bank overdraft, like that bank overdraft. Okay, these type of short period loan is coming in this head. Next, trade payable. In this trade payable, two things: bill payable and creditors. Bill payables and creditors coming in a trade payable. Okay. Next, other current liability means anyone? Any type of short period liability. Any type of dividend pending or outstanding expense, advance income. That is other type of liability, na? And last, short term provision. Provision for bad debts, provision for dividend, provision for profit, provision for interest. If any type of provision we are going to do that, proceeding on this topic. Main things, beta, we are going to present all the head, just taking in mind these all topics. In sole trade, no system is there. Capital is coming, capital, profit, interest on drawing or less drawing, and then other liabilities we are going to show. Okay, but here we are going to show on a systematic way. If current liabilities came, to only we are going to say the current liability in these four heads. Okay, beta? Current assets, then assets were putting them. Any fixed assets, then just see that fixed asset is coming on these four head or not, and they are related with the which head, and that we are going to see. Clear? These all four is clear or not? See it again. Any problem is there, tell about. In any.